For latest updates, please subscribe the Global Mirror YouTube channel.
US President Joe Biden and Chinese leader Xi Jinping spoke for 90 minutes in their first talks in 7 months on Thursday, discussing the need to avoid letting competition between the world's two largest economies veer into conflict. After what was only the second call between the leaders since Biden took office, the US side said that the proof will be in pudding as to whether the stalemate can be broken, with relations between the superpowers languishing at their lowest point in decades. A White House statement said Biden and Xi Jinping had a broad strategic discussion, including areas where interest and values converge and diverge. The conversation focused on economic issues, climate change, and COVID-19, a senior US official told reporters. President Biden underscored the United States' enduring interest in peace, stability, and prosperity in the Indo-Pacific and the world, and the two leaders discussed the responsibility both nations to ensure competition does not veer into conflict. The statement said occasional high-level meetings since Xi Jinping and Biden's first call in February have yielded scant progress on a slew of issues, from human rights to transparency over the origins of COVID-19. During the ensuing months, the two sides have lashed out at each other almost constantly, often resorting to vitriolic public attacks, slapping sanctions on each other's officials, and criticizing the other for not upholding their international obligations. Chinese state media said Xi Jinping had told Biden that US policy on China imposes serious difficulties on relations, but added that both sides agreed to maintain frequent contact and to ask working level teams to increase communications. China and United States should show strategic courage and insight and political boldness and push Sino-US relations back to the right track of stable development as soon as possible, the state media report said, citing Xi Jinping. Proof will be in the pudding. The Biden administration, preoccupied by a chaotic US withdrawal from Afghanistan, has signaled that ending America's longest war will give us political and military leaders the space to focus on more pressing threats stemming from China's rapid rise. But Beijing has been quick to seize on the US failure in Afghanistan to try to portray the United States as a fickle partner, and China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi said last month that Washington should not accept China's cooperation on that or other issues if it was also trying to contain and suppress China. The senior US administration official told reporters before the call that Washington had been disappointed that Chinese officials appeared only willing to raise talking points during recent high-level talks, and that the US side saw the leaders' call as a test of whether direct engagement with Xi Jinping could end what has become a stalemate in ties.
For latest updates, please subscribe the Global Mirror YouTube channel.